All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we are live. What's going on? Always good to be back. This is the only job that you love to come into on a Monday morning. Well, there might be others, but this is definitely one of them. Uh, please hit the like button on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. What's up, Three Pony? Good morning. It's nice to see some things on the scanner. MGRM is kind of a bigger float. What up, Trex? But those bigger floats kind of move nice for me sometimes. I think it's like 25 million or something, so I'm gonna watch that. Dare is, I think, the obvious one this morning. But they have some dilution. 5 million shares in a shelf. So who knows what to expect from this thing. Well, I guess we do know what to expect. Expect them to dump at some point, as they all do. SONN also, I would say, it's pretty obvious. And then this thing, I guess there's no news for this. I think I might have to give this thing the boot. Yeah, I got, it's like a REIT. I guess does a REIT get news for REITs? Yeah, I'm gonna keep that one. Even though I like the price action and the daily. What y'all got, man? You back in the game, Trex? What you trading this morning? 5 minutes to the bell. SONN, look like it might have some juice left in it. I was thinking it was cooked, honestly. It already went up to 30. I don't know. I like it over 10 though. Came down to 11.53. You gotta wait a little longer on this one. So I went through my mistakes from last month in my journal and I tallied them. And see if I can find my screenshot of that. It was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different mistakes, which is like a lot, man. A lot. Just like execution errors, a lot of it. But my top two was no higher high, like just buying basically a downturn, buying a higher low without it actually making a higher high first. 8 times higher high, buying the higher low after like a sell signal, basically. What's up, Rob? So 8 apiece for those two, and then 2 where I just put my stop in a bad spot. This one was like vague. I couldn't really see what I was thinking, so just no setup. One was a high day breakout, which is like treachery. And then one was like an entry so bad, like the wick was super long. There's no like reasonable entry, and then one that I just didn't sell. So definitely watching out for that higher high. And I think I pretty much caught myself pretty well the last few days with not getting in after that parabolic move up and sell signal. So feeling pretty good. Also, I've kind of migrated my focus from the 5 to the 15, where as I need to see something good on the 15 in order to engage the 5. And it's kind of been like sometimes I'll take a setup on the 5, but it's extended on the 15, or it looks like it's in a downtrend on the 15. And that's the opposite, right? You take the higher time frame and work your way down, not the lower time frame and work your way up. What up, Trey? Trend line Trazy. Rob, I see you've been active in pre-market as usual. What's your main guy? I'm thinking it had to have been Dare, but I don't know. Dare looked like kind of went straight up. Let me see. Yeah. It's a pretty violent move up right here. And then it's just holding. Yeah, I know, man. Look at that on the 15. What's this high? Yeah, man. Nice little break over 1570 and a little pullbacky. Little pullbacky. Kind of nice. Nice. 25 minutes ago. Darren SQFT. How am I supposed to feel about SQFT? I like the chart, but I don't know. It's starting to look crappy, actually. There's the bell. Wave Rider. What's up, bro? Yeah, sun's looking strong. Back on paper. Hey, man, it's got to be done from time to time. Ain't no shame in that. Hey, what up, focus on me? Yeah, sun looking mighty strong, mighty fine. But there's no news at all on SQFT, is there? You just lumping them together because one has weak news and one has no news. I got you. Yeah. Yeah, the market's wild, man. It's been wild for sure. That's not what I was looking for. There we go. But I mean, overall, we're like over all-time highs right now. It's like the world's falling apart, but market's at all-time highs. That's what's up. Yeah, sign halt to right out the open. Yeah, sun looks great. If it can hold up. Hopefully 12 is the low. I mean, I don't really care, honestly, but just want to set up. 15, I would say the 15 is backing up trend, so I just need a I'd like to see this candle close green, and then maybe 2 red candles, so probably like 45 minutes on the sun. Sheesh. Yeah, dare need to bring it on back. What's this low? 717. What's up, technical trader? That 15 life, right? Let's see. Nice gap for sure. Over some nice volume days too. Got this guy right here. What's that? 3 million shares. Yeah, that's pretty significant. lows. Hey, look at Dare over here with the higher low. Hey, we might get one. Mm-hmm. Hey, morning, Microdon's Trading. Always great to see you here, my friend. Dare. Yeah, Dare's looking great. Back to the EMA on the 5, higher low on the 15. Volume surging to the green side. Yeah. Prepping for the dump. Prepping for the dump. On $10 guarantee on what? Oh, you talking about $10 profit? Or back to $10? Yeah. Dare. Oh, Dare. I don't know why I didn't see that. $10 guarantee. Yeah, it's looking good, man. We'll see what happens. Wow, it looks great. This actually looks 5-minute opening range breakout great. Don't they all? That's funny. Not so much. Trying to hold that $8 level down to $7.93. This is nice volume right here though. Might be a while, Dirk. I don't know. Stop under there. Man, that's a high entry. And that would be high a day. You'd have to take that joke on the one. Nope. Sun is open for a moment. For a brief moment. Maybe. What a sweet move. Yeah, there she is. Strong. Him strong. MGRM. Looking kind of dried up over here, buddy. Looking real dry for an open there, buddy. Yeah, that looks pretty good. But except for this part. And the same rules all the way down on the timelines. Did you? What percent though? I'm sure you sold a lot of it, right? But yeah, risky business there. Wants to open at 19 though. What's your average? Yeah. Dare gotta do the dance. 1194. Yeah, I think you'll be all right. Think you'll be all right. Especially if it opens at 19. Mm, Do 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 do. That is why we got the rules, baby. Sitting back waiting. Everybody fading. Except Sun, of course. Sun is on its second halt to the upside. Congratulations. MGRM with the hammer down to the EMA. Line in the sand would be about right there. Could be right there. What's that high? 565. Ooh, here's the dump. It's getting scary. Ooh. Hold on to your butts. Nah. Good morning, Paul. That's hilarious. Hey, he didn't say it might not come test 6 before going to 10. You just gotta hold and have faith. Low 523, 525. Yeah. This is looking like garbage. No volume. Oh, we got a little more volume on the way down there. Don't know if that's a good thing. Yeah, boy, that mug is dipping down low. Yep. You doing good over there, Focus? Over here waiting. There's a bust down. MGRM is bust down. I don't know if I hold that 523 though. That'd be kind of cool. Oh, you can't even get out. Oh, it's open now. Yeah, they need to go on and pull it back for your boy. One time for your boy. Pull it on back. Joker, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 5-minute candles up. You need to chill out, bro. You need to chill out. You're doing too much. There's a sell signal right there. It's Black Hal. Yep. Geronimo. Bust down, Tatiana. Straight bust down, bro. Down to 680s. Bro. Oh, snap. Out of Sun, 1890. Well done, sir. Well done. Yep, bring it on back. Don't go too crazy though. This 15-minute candle will still look good. Yeah, you're doing too much now. Not the halt down. They are stacking 1633. Yeesh. Yep, halted down. I fear deer might be next. Yeah, some ran. It ran. All right, deer. They're daring to be great. It's a nice hammer on the 5 there. That's starting to look more interesting. How dare I look to trade it? What's up, OG? What you trading over there? Hey, y'all, don't forget to hit the like button for me, please. 692. Yeah, that's a nice little buy there for now. You took a stab on there? Okay. What you got a line right here? I don't think that would trigger. Yeah, back over 750. I'd feel really good about it. What up, Red? Hmm. Yeah, it's heating up. Already stretching legs. Yeesh. Yeah, I'm kind of expecting the 15 back to the EMA now that it broke that low from that higher low from pre-market. But trendline tray in there now, so it's gotta bounce. I think we good back over 750. 750. Oh, just opened up on SONN. It's actually like a really nice little setup looky, except for this nasty red candle. Everything else looks great. Yeah. Stop lower day. Man, I want to participate. Man, that looks good. PMN. Man, when I jumped in the car today, I had popping my collar jump in my head for some reason. And I was feeling it. Like in my head, like I was getting my phone out, going to Yahoo Music, about to pull it up. And I couldn't remember who rapped it for the moment. I and as soon as it popped up, man, couldn't do it, man. uh, yeah, that downtrend stuff though, man. That's that stuff I be trying to. But I know it's downtrend until it ain't. But I just can't help but be like, we got that high, and then we got that high, and then we got that high. Dare another leg lower. Stupid. Yeah, I was thinking something's gonna need to chill out for a bit. Hmm. He ain't tell me nothing. Get off my front porch with all that noise. This is looking pretty righteous. Man, bruh, it's screaming, take me. And don't slam my door. Right, bro. Disrespectful, man. Kids is wild, man. Like they don't even know how to address their elders these days. Like there's no that whole respect your elder thing, that's gone, bro. Like these little kids on some bikes pulled up to my house for my son. He's like he's 12. And like they just stuttering don't know how to say like, good evening or how you doing, sir? Can such and such come outside? Gone, man. Decorum is gone. Yeah. Nah, that's why I ain't taking it. That's my rule. But I'm saying it's looking real interesting. It has my attention, is what I'm saying. I have it. I got that feeling in my gut that it's about to go. But this is a really wide entry too. But you know, these entries be looking wide right here, and then when it's at like 35, you're like, dang, that was like the most narrow range entry of all time, and I didn't take it. But yeah, because of this, I wouldn't even want to just hop into this on the 15. I would want to wait for a little more, some confirmation, any confirmation, because this is just a nasty downtrend at this point on the 15. It's pretty nasty. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, we got boom, boom, boom. It's looking pretty nasty at this point. It's looking pretty nasty. But as far as the 5 is concerned, the 5 is starting to shape up. But this is the sell signal. Like this was the buy down here, and that was get out now. And so if you didn't get out up here, now you're a real sad face right here. Now you're now you're sad face. You said still in, oh, you still like dare on scalping. Yeah, scalping opportunities are abundant, I'm sure. But my diamond hands don't press the buttons fast enough to scalp, so I got to try to find these higher time frame signals that work with my my mental a little better. Dang, bruh. It ain't gonna be nothing. What was that other one? SQFT. Hunting, shall we? Yeah, son got slapped. Now I got the stupid song in my head anyway, so it's like I already got. Might as well use the hourly. That's funny. Actually, that's the line. That 15 was righteous. Righteous. Hey, what's up, Streamer Central? Short on the NQ. Nice. What was that move? Yeah, buddy. Always love to hear, man. How long you been trading, Streamer Central? All right, Dare. Did we find the bottom on Dare? Dare to reverse? Might as well use the hourly. What you been trading this morning, Red? Did Mirror do something? Okay, well, looks like a good thing to be trading. Wiki up there. G.I. Joe. It's 657. Man, that joint looking saucy. Yeah, that thing looks great. What do we have here? Yeah, I think MGRM might be attracting some buyers. We shall see. Still has work to do. 45 seconds on SOMN. Was Dare halted too? No, just moving slow, huh? Looks like Dare dried up quite a bit as well. Oh no, that's actually still pretty good. It's still throwing out 100K a candle, 200. Yeah, nah, Dare's cool. Dare's cool. Sun is open. 14 on SQFT. Now a higher low on the 15 would be pretty interesting here. It's just dropping a lot now, though. This is pretty nasty. There you go. Bring it on back. Yeah, that's a good level right there. This actually looks pretty ready. It's looking real good. MGRM is looking better. We might have some trades coming up here, guys. Might have some trades coming up here. SQFT is looking great. Almost too great. Yeah, Dare and Sun though. I don't know about them guys. Looking pretty bad. Maybe back to 12. Oh yeah. Always forget to look at that. Well, getting pretty tight now. There's gonna come a time where I'm gonna snatch up this trade right here. Snatch it up. Just not yet. Dang, it's halted. Wow. All right, then. Dare all the way to 6. Yeah, it's got to come down here at this point. Dare to 550. MGRM is an acquisition. Did I read that? It's not trading like an acquisition. Agreement to acquire Monogram Tech. 404 per share cash. Receive up to 12.37 per share common stock if deployment. Zimmer announces agreement to acquire Monogram. Yeah, so they're getting acquired, right? I don't know, but we got the 5 is starting to set up for your boy. And the volume is increasing. Yeah, we got some boxes checked over here. I like this 15-minute hammer right here. I kind of wish I just took that. But I'm not there yet. Just waiting on the pullback here. Yeah, that's what it seems like. But it's like they could get paid out 12 per share if something else happens. But that's later down the line. See, man, I gotta start taking that 15, dog. Nah, we ain't FOMOing. That's up to VWAP. Higher low after that will be very clutch. Patience. Mm, 2 minutes on that halt. Down to break testing $6. Come on, 550. This thing might be finito, bro. It's got all the day's volume overhead. It's not looking good. Sun over here. It's actually not the worst looking. I've seen worse. Every 15-minute setup I could have considered to take. It's done well this far. Got another 3 minutes on this candle. Yeah, 15 was mad obvious, but it's kind of downtrending on 15 too. Well, there it goes. 15 be mad obvious, yo. Golly. Look at this, man. Daggone it. Rocking, bro. Calm down, bro. Calm down. feel the FOMO juices bubbling. Let's relax. IHC. Hey, nice pop over there, huh? Yo, yo. MGRM, man, bro, it's looking clean. It's got some time though. I'm not ready to buy it just yet. Especially now that it's thrown the highest volume of the day. Hmm. 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 Golly, these things are just running. Hmm. You think? Could be back over two. Yeah, it looks bad. It looks bad for now. I like the volume on this 15-minute hammer right here though, because it's really high. Like this looks like the bottom. Igniting volume, ending volume, or maybe even this would be, and then you get your leg down. I always expect another leg down after the ending volume. Back end there. Savage. Huh. Savage. Nice entry though, for sure. The RR is great on it. Hmm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see it now. I see it. Mm-hmm. Hmm. See how this candle closes. Should be interesting. Hmm. Come on and pull back, man. Ugh, it's so ready on the 15. It's so ready. I want to put a stop under the low and take the break right there, but that what you call a high day breakout, which we don't do that. But man, that looks great. Yeah, MGRM looks great. Looks bullish. Pullback would be really nice. This thing just ain't really doing the do over here. Still scalping there. Okay, that looks positive. Looks like the one's kicking off an uptrend. Dang. What a mess. A double halt. Hmm. You're in MGRM? Nice. What's up, Leon? Yeah, I'm wishing I was in it. I'm trying to wrap my mind around these 15-minute entries, and this is kind of when I want to take them, when it's strong on the 15 and pulling back to the EMA on the 5. Seems like a really good lineup. But we are getting a pullback here, so that's cool. Yeah, patience, man. I feel like Sun wants to do something, but it doesn't seem to feel like it. Yeah. Could all be so simple. Just a little pop, and I can take my profit, and everything will be fine. Yeah, I mean, I'm not seeing anything yet, but it'd have to do some things. Probably over 15. And yeah, a lot more volume have to come in. for sure. Okay, that's quite a bit of selling there. Hmm. 565. Hmm. Yeah, what up, Eric? Yeah, I mean it's looking pretty cool to me right now. SQFT is back open. Ah, that's a nice setup there. Ain't nothing happening until get the candle close. OP. Hmm. Did a little something. Oh, did you not get the 185 entry you wanted? Yeah, I do too. I like it a lot, Rob.
Order filled.
What up, Rob? 1705. Hey, that's what's up. Let's see what happens here. Got 5 minutes on that. My take profit. I'm definitely gonna be taking profit through pre-market high for sure. Um, yeah, I would say that's pretty much what's this? 19, maybe 19. What's this? Yeah, somewhere up in here. Like there's no other highs except for this one. So yeah, pre-market high 1940. You see the I mean, it's uptrending. It's uptrending on the 15. I mean, I see what you're saying, but I mean, this is the I'm not spiting the 15 with this entry on the 5. This is my setup on the 5, and the 15 just had a nice big pullback and still closed green. So, good with that. You see FOMO? I think that's pretty solid, bro. You might see some over here on Sun though. This is the 15-minute setup right here. 13. Just wait for the high break and pull back on the 5, especially with this. Mm. 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 Take the 15 or wait for the 5, which may never come. I feel like I've been passing up all the 15s this morning. Mm. It's going to be like straight up on these time frames. Let's get a 15 shot one time for the one time. Over 71.
Order filled.
What's time we got left over here? 55 seconds. Oh snap! We open over here. High day 17. There we go. Squeeze time. Come on, baby. Stop it, bro. What's up, Knives? Um, just kind of one that I've been working on with for myself. 5 minute uptrends. Kind of trade the 15 and the 5, looking for the beginning of uptrends. That's a big slap right there. Held it up pretty well. Now I'm looking at the first 15-minute candle to make a high right here. We're just getting started, Uncle Paul. That's why I'm here. Oh, for real? I forgot about that dare trade. Yeah, I could have sold something right there. What's this look? 13.7. Europa. Yeah, Rob, where's Europe at? Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. It might be drying up, huh? Look like an some ad right here. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, Dare might have found the bottom there, Trey. Back to the EMA. 15 came to play. Ah. Yeah. Hodl. Hodl, brother. Come on now. Yeah. Come on now. I need that 1940. Mm-mm-mm-mm. No candle. Who this? MGRM's looking really interesting too. I know y'all think I'm crazy if I get in three things. That would be a lot to do though. At least it got to get to like a TP on one of these. But MGRM's looking interesting. I ain't here for them pennies, Paul. Look at that, another triangle. Another triangle trade. All right, now it's getting scary. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. What's it gonna be? It's definitely at the top of a 1 minute trend for sure. Like this thing been walking up for a minute on the 1 and the 15, honestly. But pretty fresh on the 5, I would say. Up into some noise. Definitely would have been nicer down here. Let's see though. Let's see. Ooh, 1420 is the halt. Sketchy. I have to just get out under this low right here. Well, this 15 minute about to close anyway, so I'm gonna drag my stop under that low no matter what, which is 1469. So hopefully survive the next 3 minutes, and then we'll be cool to cut the loss down. Yeah, here go MGRM, bro. Super saucy. Oh, Sun. Oh, why is Sun doing crazy right now? Did it halt? Oh, oh, that's bad. It's looking back. Yeah. Both of these joints about to fade out. Are you serious, Leon? Yeah, we're not gonna make it out this halt. It's gonna be a tragedy. Yeah. 23 seconds. The ask is up to 13. Oh gosh, is it? Okay, here we go.
Order filled.
Mm, Man, I really want to take this on the 15th. It's just a day, but golly, this mug is really good. Um, yeah, just gotta wait. What on MG? Oh, you in there too? It's triggered on the 15th for me over 596. But I mean, I'd be buying high day right now if I bought it. Unless I just bought a dip. It'd be too many concessions. This one was the 5, while the 15 was bullish. No different.
Order filled.
14 bucks because of y'all. Yeah, this thing gone for me. It's gone. Well, we got in the up halt and a down halt. What up, Tech? My brother from another mother. Yeah, boy. I don't mind the first halt up at all. Dang, it's looking better now. Yeah, I want 19 too. I didn't even want to sell right there, but I just wanted to sell on principle. I need to sell more. I could have sold here and basically not felt as anxious during this pullback, but it's all good. Looks like I got something like 1250 right. I mean 1750 right there. Yeah, so definitely hoping for pre-market high for the next third, and then hopefully maybe get a little leg stretching going on. Might be mad at myself for not taking this on the 15 after I waited all this time. This is the entry I really wish I took. Now it feels super sketch. It's like it's trying to give me an entry that's not high of day. It's not too late. Did not dare to be great today, boy. It did not. Yeah, hell about this up down trend on son. I was talking about you, Trey, and did it myself. Did it my own self. Go ahead and take it. The FOMO is real. Interfered, bruh. Bruh, what are you doing? Now I'm about to break my rules since you broke yours. Ha. Hope you're proud of yourself. Domino effect. So it's my fault. Oh boy. What's the high? 93. Ah man, a second halt, bro. I needed you to keep me occupied.
Order filled.
All right, let's see how dumb this is. That's a dumb way to take a trade, right? It feels good on the 5. It feels triggered on the 15. Um, hmm. Yeah, it's a little below the line for sure. Well, I mean, if I use this highest volume candle, but yeah. Hmm. Man, buying it right under the whole dollar too. I know. I do dislike doing that.
1846 up there now on the ask. What up, Jack? This volume is atrocious. How y'all let me get in this low volume thing? Y'all sitting in this dragger. Dragger. Ain't even got nowhere to move my stop up to. Yeah. Had all the reasons not to. Se fomos strong. I see your inference there, Paul. Very clever. Oh, you already took half and went to break even, huh? So you ain't even in the trade for real.
Order filled.
Talking about might have a chance. $81. Is it worth moving my stop up 3 cents? Probably not. What's the next stop? It's already went a lot, huh? Let me sell a little bit more, right? Getting a little ahead of myself here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Thanks, Knives.
Order filled.
Come on, MGRM. Help a brother out. Help a brother out. Out at 22. Hey. Yo, it's gonna be wild over 6 if we can get there. I know, right? Well, I'm in it now. Got some shares too. Feel like I sold too soon. We must stop growing. Actually, I'm being way too anxious with my stop. I just don't be wanting to give back so much if it pulls all the way in, but like I've sold dang near all my shares. So I'm still not giving that much back. I don't care. You talking about right now over SQFT? This is going nowhere. Nowhere. You said we got room to what? 26. Target set. I'm so upset I'm in this dead stock. I turned it away from it too because I saw these 2 candles right here. I was like, nah, this thing ain't got no volume. And then I turned and jumped right in the dang thing. I wouldn't say all that. Let's go. Come on, baby. Squeeze. Ooh, we get back over here. Over 22.39. How's the halt 22.61? That's unacceptable. How we gonna squeeze if that's the high? If that's the halt? Oh man, it's over.
Order filled.
All that for 1.69 R. Disappointing. Appreciate that, Microdon. Let's keep it positive. Come on, man. Take that 6 on out of there. Nah, I'm definitely done in buying positions for sure. Although I could definitely see SQFT setting up again in another 30 minutes or so. Yeah, no doubt. See what happens with this thing. Dost thou volume I see? Could it be? You still in this trade? What's your break even? Crash out day for you, OG? Or you think I'm crashing out? I'm feeling pretty good. Hey, that looks pretty solid. Could be. Nah. That's funny. I mean, it's I'm in it and I got my stop in and I'm waiting. I think we can tighten up the stop pretty tight though. Hope so. If we can get over 6, I mean, we that'll be pretty nice. I think we got a good shot. Boy, son did the roll floor drop trick. We did pretty good over here. Over here. I might be upset at myself for breaking my 5-minute stop rule, but that's pretty excessive sell signal right there, So just kind of gotta
Be obvious. And another upside halt. Oh. Not in real life. Done for the day. How you end up, man? Mm-hmm. 87. Tiny 10K day. No big deal. Just a month's salary for a couple people. That's what's up, bro. Man, got me in this molasses trade. Then I sold out of my position earlier than I should have. I'm gonna be salty. Salty. Well, yeah, I wait for the end of the trend and then I see if it restarts. That's what the EMA reset's all about. That's why you think all of my trades are garbage.
Order filled.
Wow. Thank God for the stop loss. That could have been quite destructive. Yeah. It's so hard for me to stay in the last leg of my trade. It's so hard. Supposed to be walking up to 15 right now. So after this close, my stop would have been 1780. Safe. But it's a pretty vicious sell signal. At least it was in the moment. SQFT was front side. Yeah. Well, this was the reset. And then you get the higher high here, higher low. Boom, there's the trade. But yeah, so like this is what happened pre-market, right? We got the big run up and then the downtrend, and then I wait for it to break below the EMA and then retake it. And once I see the first sign of the uptrend, which is a higher high, higher low, I buy the position. What happened here was I decided to use the 15 as an entry, which I mean, I'm pretty sure I was just telling Trey that he shouldn't have bought this because it's downtrending. And then what do? I buy it. It downtrends. Estúpido. Yeah, so that was dumb. Clearly avoidable. What else? SQFT. Oh no, MGRM. That was another stupid one. Like as soon as I got in, I knew it was stupid. It was stupid before I got in. Extended from the EMA. Entry was way down here. It didn't give a nice close to the EMA entry, so you just got to LIG it, Yeah, that was pretty ridiculous. Very egregious. But, man, I should have got way more out of this trade. It was this sell here that killed me. Good sell, though. Can't be mad at myself for a good sell. This feels like a good entry right here, too. Yeah. All right. So yeah, another check on the chart for a low entry mistake and then another check on this chart for buying a downtrend. No higher high. No higher high. Although I could have possibly saw myself buying this right here, but it's downtrending on the 15. That's one that's just easy to point out. Guess if I looked at that as a high, it's really not though. Yeah, I think I was considering this a high actually, but it didn't hold. It didn't hold. Is that what I did today on SQFT? Bruh, I cannot believe I dragged up my stop. Yeah, I can. I was ready for 26 with my little 5 shares. Bro, how did you do this? I know why. False support. Yeah, bro, we fumbled the bag. I fumbled the bag over here. This would have cleaned up the rest of the day. Fumbled the bag. I know, right? Ain't no point in looking at it now. Yeah, I'm about to go, man. I'm about to go to the gym right now. Not a terrible day, though. 2 stupid trades. At least one I was able to cut some of the risk off before getting stopped. But yeah, these are avoidable. These are avoidable. I know. I definitely want to sit here and watch SQFT all day. But that's not the plan. So, poop shiesty. And really, the reason why I felt a little more pressed to capture the back end of this move is because I was already red, you know. So I didn't want to give it back and miss the opportunity to make back those losses. But stop's supposed to stay under the 15-minute low. So, but the longer I sit here and watch these charts, it's like mental fatigue sets in. Like that's what kind of happens here, you know. You just like my patience. I've been patient so long, bro. Look at that. I almost made it, man. I got into this right before 11 o'clock. Like I almost made it, bro. Almost made it. Sure could have stopped out up here though. I don't know why I needed to have my stop way down here after seeing this. That was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. Yeah, I definitely could have cut this one in half. I wasn't even looking at it on the 5 most of the time. I had it over here on the 15. Yeah. Yeah, it just my resilience to pass up bad trades just gets weaker and weaker, bro. And I'm by the time 12:30, 1 o'clock's around, bro, I'm if I got profits, they about to get melted. They about to get melted. Yeah. I know, but I still didn't want to exit the whole position though, Rob, because I mean, it's not the worst thing though. It's not as bad as taking a bad trade. Even if I just left 1 share or 2 shares, just to stand on that rule, you know. I still don't really get the margin thing though, Rob. Well, one thing that kind of walked me into our MRGM was having VWAP on the chart and it kind of holding VWAP. And I was like, well, it is holding VWAP. Like, you know, I don't trade off VWAP. So I went ahead and took that off. I don't need that. Y'all use that. I don't use it. And then just the low volume crap, man. Whenever I come down here and I can see these little baby volume bars, I already know what time it is. Like if it's printing candles below 100K, especially below 50K, like bro, it's cooked. It's cooked, man. Cooked. SQFT? Nah, I feel good about SQFT. Because, I mean, like, if you zoom out on the 5 and look, right? We got this 5-minute move up, and then you get the downtrend, right? And then you get this 5-minute move up, and then you get the downtrend. And so all I'm waiting to see is for it to start making higher highs to see that it's about to uptrend again. And that's what it did. So I just, this was the high I was waiting to break. It broke it, but this wasn't really an entry. So we get the higher high, higher low, stop under there, boom, boom. Pretty good. Oh yeah, 2020 out of the trade, bro. Hindsight is always 2020. Hindsight is always 2020. I did catch the volume thing though before I entered the trade. I just came back and got in anyway. I should have just took it off my chart. Especially this close to my end of my trading window, man. That's really disappointing. Yeah, that's really disappointing. Yeah. Oh, not more than one consecutive red candle? Yeah, that's pretty dope. I've seen the 15 like that too, a lot. I mean, it's actually like that on the 15 as well. It's just one red candle. Nah, you right. Yeah, you right. Hmm. Yeah, I think if I want to take the 15 entry, the 5 got to be already bullish. It can't be on its way to being bullish. Yeah. I like that entry. I like that entry a lot. I wanted to take it. I be seeing that entry a lot where I got my line and it peekaboos above and then the next candle goes below and then breaks back above again. I love this entry. I just haven't quantified it yet. I wanted to take it on the 15 actually, the first candle of the day, over the first candle of the day. But I prefer to wait for the confirmation on the 5. It's just FOMO that makes me want to take the 15 by itself. Um, yeah, I don't think I want to take the 15. I still want to wait for the 5, but the 15 is like what I'm building my whole thesis off of. So, yeah, this trade was the 15 trade, and it was not ready on the 5 at all. OP still going. Yep, sure is. Well, all right, y'all. Let me get out of here, man. Get my the rest of my day routine going, man. And still learning lessons every day, but at least we can walk out with a little pride of hitting something. We hit something today. Pretty nice too. But all right, you guys, hit that like button for me, please. Subscribe if you have not. Discord links in the description, and catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.